kind of crazy right now, but I was in the middle of getting ready. I was debating on filming today because I just wasn't feeling all the way up for it. I've been kind of under the weather these past couple days, but I think I'm feeling better. So yeah, I decided to vlog. And right now I'm getting ready to make some TikToks. I still have that box in here for my desk. I still need to break it up so I can get it to the trash. But yeah, it's a little later in the day because I just finished eating breakfast and drinking my tea. And then like I said, I was in the middle of getting ready. So yeah, it is 12:23 right now. But right now I don't have a to-do list, so we can make a to-do list right now. Okay, so here we have my little to-do list for today. We have get ready, vlog all day, wash my bedding, open packages, make a TikTok, make an order, work on Procreate, order more brown cruise. You guys have been loving the brown cruise. And then I have reminders. I have to take it easy, drink lots of water, and have fun because why not? Okay, I look crazy, so I'm gonna finish getting ready so I don't look like this anymore. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys when that's done. Okay guys, I am ready. I already put my bed stuff in the washer, so that's why it's looking like that. Okay, so excuse what's going on. I have to do all that I can for lighting because I barely get any lighting in my room. This shirt, this bodysuit is from Pretty Little Thing, and I'm just wearing these black slack pants, and that is the fit for today. I'm a fan of how I did my hair today. But guys, I want to show you the new shelf that I set up in my room. Here it is. I got rid of my clothing rack and I got these shelves because I just think it looks 10 times better. But yeah, if you want to see me putting those up, I did make a TikTok. I've really been on my TikTok game these last couple days, so go check that out. We're about to make another TikTok right now. So yeah, I guess you're going to watch a little behind the scenes of that. I'm really a fan of my hair today. But anyways, let's make that TikTok right now. I don't know where to look. Okay, so I finished making that TikTok. I think I like it. I'm probably going to make another one later on when I actually embroider, because the girl that I'm making it for, she asked for it to be all brown, so it's a little different from the original. But this TikTok that I made a TikTok on everything that I use for my embroidery business, part 1. So if you want to know what I said, you want to know what I use, make sure you go watch that TikTok. But okay, I'm going to finish editing this TikTok and then we can open some packages because I've been letting them build up and I need to open them, so we're going to do that. Okay, so here is the pile of Amazon packages that I was talking about, and don't worry, I crossed out my address, so don't worry, but we're going to open these now. Anyways, let's open these packages. Okay, so we're going to do this on my bed. I need scissors. Hold on. Okay, so I have some exciting things in here. I don't know which one is which, so it's kind of fun. Here we go. First package. Oh, this is a stand for my iPad. So it's like this, so it can go on my desk and hold my iPad up like this. Very cute. Okay, so here we have a black sweatshirt in 2X because, yeah, so I needed this size and I ordered this a long time ago, but yeah, I have 2X sizes now, so just to add it to the collection. Oh, this is, I believe, film for my Polaroid camera. Okay, yeah, I just got a pack of 60. There's 2 in each box, so, and you could take up to 10 pictures for each one, so it's 60. Okay, so here we have batteries. I needed batteries one day and got them off Amazon because I didn't want to go to the store. So, yeah. Oh, this is the exciting one. Okay, so I told you guys how I really love my iPad, and that's my favorite device to use. So I got this little keyboard for it, and it's pink, and it's Logitech. And I have seen it so much, so I can't wait to use it, and I had to get it in pink. Here's the mouse that goes along with it. It's the same color. So cute. Very excited to use it. It's so pretty, and I just can't wait to use it. We're gonna put it up in a minute because, you know, I gotta try it out. So yeah, I think that's all the packages that I had to open. That was fun. Okay guys, don't mind this finger, my nail fell off. But anyways, I'm back on my desk, ready to open these goodies. So that's what we're about to do. Ooh. Guys, it's a game changer. I love it so much. So much. Seriously makes me want to type my little life away. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Okay, so it's about to be 3. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos and just chill for a bit. And then we're gonna find something to eat because your girl is hungry. Okay, so here's the salad. Looks very good. This is the chicken Caesar salad from Zaxby's. It has bacon and croutons in it. And then if you had Zaxby's before, you know that they use their croutons. It's their bread, and the bread is so soft and yummy. I love it. But okay, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for a bit and let it cool before I eat it. Okay guys, I just started watching The Chilling Adventures of Sabrina. It's pretty good so far. And I'm about to dig in because I'm starving. Y'all, this salad is so good. Caesar salad is the only salad that I really like. But okay, I'm gonna eat and watch my show and get back to you guys later. Guys, TikTok works so fast. Okay, I'm mid eating my salad. In the middle of eating my salad, my phone kind of going off. The video that I posted today is doing really well. I started off with, I think, 192 followers. I'm now at 412, and it's been 3 hours. Yeah, and people are just being so nice. It's just crazy how TikTok works. But yeah, I'm finished with my salad. I need to order some more brown crew because those are kind of popping right now, so I need more. But yeah, I'm gonna put all this up and then get back to you guys. Okay, so I just had a little dance party because I needed to have a little dance party. But now that that is over, I need to get everything kind of organized. Yesterday I made a little order detail sheet. In here I write their name, the size, the color, and the thread that they want, just so I don't have to keep going back to the app. Okay, so that's just how it looks. And I ordered some more brown crews because these are the sizes that are selling out the most. So, and we wouldn't have this problem, but I messed up on one. Let me show you. So this one is a medium and I messed up on it. Very sad. It looks good until like you look up close. There's kind of a hole there. But yeah, I think this happened because I needed to change my bobbin. You know, mistakes, they happen. It just sucks that it happened on this sweatshirt because I love this brown and I wanted one for myself. I think I'm just going to keep it because it's not that bad. It's not that noticeable, but I wasn't going to give this to somebody if it's not perfect. So yeah, I'll just keep it for myself. But anyways, we're going to make an order. Okay, update you guys in a few. Guys, I put on this sweatshirt and it's actually so cute. But anyways, it's now time to make the order. It's 6:14 right now. And I usually make my orders around this time because I don't know. This is my last medium brown until a couple of days when more inventory should be coming. Okay, so I need to stabilize it, which I use tearaway stabilizer for this design. I also have cutaway stabilizer. It just depends on the design I'm doing. Now time for hooping. Hooping is by far my least favorite part because it just takes a while for me to get it to a place that I'm happy with. And also I have to stand up and it makes my back hurt so much. And I'm having a Capri Sun right now, so love that. But okay, let's hoop this sweatshirt. Okay, so we have it hooped and now we're going to put it on the machine. Okay, so I took my lashes off. I'm stressed. We did have a problem. Hopefully I fixed it. Hopefully. We got this far and then as you can see something happened with the O. I think the bobbin had came out, so I had to fix that. Okay guys, I fixed it and this is how it came out. The color's not too accurate on camera, but still super cute. Welcome to a get unready with me because we're gonna get unready. Oh, it feels so good to take out your ponytail. Okay, my nose is all red because I just finished washing my face and I kind of want to give you guys a little life update right now. Okay, so I don't know if you've noticed, but I haven't been doing any like college class things or college videos, although like my last college video that I did mention that my financial aid, they didn't give me enough financial aid, so I am taking a break this semester. I'm not doing classes this semester and I'm not really like upset about it. I did want to take a break and them not giving me enough financial aid is kind of what pushed me to take a break. I was going to just pay it, but college is expensive and I didn't want to spend basically all my money on classes right now, especially in the times that we're living in. I'm just gonna moisturize my face. I did go to a community college, but long story short, I am considered an out-of-state student because my mom lived in North Carolina for a year and I didn't. But I think something about taxes, I don't know, but I have to do this thing to like be considered in-state student. But yeah, so I am taking a semester off and I kind of was scared to tell you guys because I know like a lot of you are here for my college videos, but like I'm just taking a semester off. I'm happy about it, but I just know you guys wanted that college content. So like I get it if you guys want to leave, even though that's kind of fake because I thought we were besties, but I get it. My lips are chapped. I need to go moisturize them, so let's go. Okay, so the order, I'm not going to package it tonight. I'm just going to wait till tomorrow because I kind of want to get in bed, which I still need to go get my bed stuff out of the dryer and actually make my bed. I had Popeyes for dinner. It was lovely. Okay, so here's my very lazy made bed that I can't wait to get in. And my cat is right here. If you see something moving. Nelly. Hi, boo. She likes being under there. Okay, so we're done making my bed, and I want to update you guys with the TikTok thing because I keep getting notifications. So I'm now at 746 followers, and the video's at 20,000.1 views. TikTok did this thing, and I need to reply to comments, but it's kind of overwhelming. A lot of people are asking, do I accept custom orders? I guess I'm about to, because I mean, why not? But okay, we need to check on this to-do list that we had for today. Okay, so here is our completed to-do list. I haven't worked on Procreate yet, but I'm going to do that when I get in bed, so I will do that. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it off here. I'm just going to get in the shower and get in bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, whatever I title this video. I don't know what I'm titling it. This video's nice comment shout out will go to this person right here. Thank you so much for your kind words. I appreciate you so much, and I love you, and I hope you're doing well. I appreciate all of you guys so much. I can't believe we're almost at 7K. That's crazy. And even though I'm not doing school this semester, I'm still gonna be productive and posting my vlogs, and I hope you guys stay with me throughout this little journey. But yeah, I do plan on doing a Q&A, so leave me questions down below that you want answered in the Q&A. But okay, if you've made it up to this point in the video, leave a whatever emoji I put right here. Leave that down below in the comments, just because I like to see you watch my videos all the way through, and it's kind of like an inside joke that only the besties know, so leave that down below. Okay, bye. Love you. Be safe. Sending you positive energy that you need. Bye.